I'm going to call this floral arrangement Sweet 16 because of the color scheme that I used. Hi guys, today I want to make flower arrangement with pink, white, and this one is like peach with coral. This is geranium, hibiscus, miniature rose, of course, petunias, and this one is hibiscus. Difficult to pronounce.